One morning, while most people were still stretching with their coffee, something gigantic began in the depths of the Pacific Ocean. Seismographs around the world trembled. Magnitude 8.8. The epicenter was near Kamchatka. Geologists immediately understood. This was no ordinary earthquake. It was a megatectonic rift, one of the most dangerous types. And when the ocean cracks for hundreds of kilometers, like the wave is already born. Tsunami, a word that sounds beautiful, but means a destructive force of planetary scale. At depth, the water barely rises, it just moves. But the speed is like that of a passenger plane. Over 800 kilometers per hour. Imagine. You're woken up in Tokyo and you have 2 hours before a wall of water arrives. If, of course, someone warns you. In 2025, this happened. The Pacific Tsunami Warning Center in Honolulu, PTWC, activated in 48 seconds. Algorithms reacted faster than a human could respond to an alarm. Sirens blare. SMS alerts, television broadcasts. In Japan, Hawaii, the Philippines, Chile, and the islands of French Polynesia, one message rings out. Evacuate now. All major ports cease operations. Trains stopped. Airlines canceled. People abandon their homes. Evacuation? 3 million people. You don't see the wave, but you know it's coming. And that's enough to save lives. But now, let's imagine a different reality. The same event, the same earthquake. But this time, no signal. What if the tsunami warning system didn't work? Perhaps due to a software glitch? Maybe someone updated the server at the wrong moment. Or someone saved money and didn't replace the equipment. Or perhaps it was an attack. A cyber intrusion that disabled alerts for a few hours. That's enough. In such a scenario, everything looks normal. Beaches are crowded with tourists. Children head to school. Containers are being loaded in ports. Life goes on because no one knows that a wave is already surging beyond the horizon. In 30 minutes, it reaches Sakhalin and the Kuril Islands. In 1 hour, Hawaii. In 90 minutes, Japan's coast. In 2 hours, Chile. But this time, no one is waiting. No one is fleeing. No one is prepared. In Honolulu, young people play volleyball. A minute later, they're no longer on the beach. They're in the epicenter of the strike. In ports, ships are overturned like toys. In megacities, water floods into the metro. A tsunami doesn't look like it does in movies. It's not one big wave. It's a series stretching over hours. And each wave is higher, colder, and stronger than the last. The wave bursts into buildings, seeps into power grids, floods transformer substations. Fire stations don't work. Ambulances are blocked. People call 911, but no one answers. Infrastructure? Unprepared. Because no one prepared it. This is a catastrophe, but not because of the earthquake, and not because of the water, but because of the silence, because the signal that should have come didn't. The warning system doesn't just help, it decides who lives and who dies. In 2025, we avoided this. Only thanks to PTWC, their 24/7 monitoring, their algorithms, server rooms, operators, translators, and yes, funding. That's why no one died. That's why it didn't become a tragedy. But now, PTWC is on the brink. Some countries are cutting budgets, others aren't updating systems. Warnings are no longer a priority, and tsunamis haven't disappeared. The next tremor could happen in Indonesia, or Alaska, or off New Zealand. Will there be someone to press the button? Safety systems are more than just technology. They are the silence that saves lives. They are the sign that flashes, "Evacuate now." They are the siren that sounds not because it's too late, but because there's still time. Buildings can be rebuilt. Roads can be cleared. But lives cannot be restored. We have only a few minutes, and just one chance to hear the warning. Next time, the signal might not sound. Did you like the video? Like and subscribe to Hypothetica. It's going to get even louder from here.